ऐसे और वीडियोस देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब बटन को दबाएं और बेल आइकन को जरूर क्लिक करें।
Hi guys, this is Deepak with 91 Mobiles and I have in my hands the new Nokia 5.1 Plus. This is the new smartphone launched by HMD Global in India. It's a very interesting looking device, very nice build quality and very nice premium feel to it despite its polycarbonate body. So this is a plastic body, but it comes with a very nice glossy finish. And the phone is pretty compact, feels nice in the hand. There's a notch up top, as you can see, which follows the latest trends in the smartphone industry. And feels very nice. The one in white is especially pretty good, but I think this would also be available in black. Unfortunately, we don't really have a pricing on this phone yet. HMD Global has said that this phone will be launching in India sometime in September, and they will be announcing the price closer to launch. And as far as specs are concerned, this is a 5.8-inch HD Plus display with the notch up top, Helio P60 processor from MediaTek inside, which is mated to 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB storage. Dual rear cameras which give you the bokeh effect. This is a 13 megapixel plus 5 megapixel combination at the rear, and at the front an 8 megapixel for selfies. Stock Android, which has been Nokia's mainstays in the past. This is an Android One branded smartphone, as you can see. So completely stock. There's no bloatware at all, and it's just basically the camera app that Nokia has customized. Pretty interesting features like live bokeh and also picture-in-picture mode, which combines images from both the front and rear cameras. 3060 mAh battery, USB Type-C port at the bottom along with the speaker. On the left, the SIM slot, volume key and power key on the right, and 3.5 headset socket on top. So completely stock, running Android 8 Oreo at the moment, and very soon we'll get the Android P or Android Pie update as well, and it will be one of the first few phones that will actually get it because of the Android One branding. So very compact phone. It has been launched in India along with the 6.1 Plus, which has some better specifications compared to this. And the 6.1 Plus, in fact, has been priced at rupees 15,999. So we are sure that the 5.1 Plus, which is this phone in my hand, will be priced lower than that when it launches in India in September. So interesting looking device, compact, very good design, build quality, and some reasonably good specifications. We'll wait and watch and see what the pricing is. But that was a quick hands-on of the new Nokia 5.1 Plus. Thanks for watching.